Dang. Took you a long time.
Yeah. I didn't rotate fast enough.
Nope. There you
Nice.
go. That was better.
What I'm talking about.
Still, I want to do a spin, you know, like a 180.
Yeah.
Back on 180.
So you land like facing that way.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That was
And of course, an airplane.
Last time. So I'm gonna go that way-ish. You ready?
Got you. Oh, I heard that.
that one first?
No. No. Okay. I'm done for now.
Alrighty. And they are skimming. That's
So you guys work out. It's cool.
Work out and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.